I come in, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you, sir.
Madhumita, tell us about you.
Sir, I'm Madhumita. I'm from Samalkha, which is a small town in Panipat district of Haryana. And sir, I did my Bachelor's of Business Administration in 2015 from Panipat Institute of Engineering and Technology. And sir, thereafter, I started preparing for the IAS examination, and this is my third attempt.
And what your father is doing?
So my father is an auction recorder in Market Committee, Samalkha.
I see. So, and you have done business administration.
Yes,
so
sir.
why you want to come in administration? From business, it's a very good line.
Sir, being an IAS was my childhood dream, but I was not having the self-confidence when I decided to pursue the Bachelor's of Business Administration. So for temporarily, I was also considering teaching as an option. After BBA, I shall do MBA and thereafter NET and as an assistant professor in government job.
So you have cleared your net?
No, sir, I did not do. I didn't continue after BBA.
BBA. Okay. Tell us about Haryana. Something specific on Haryana. You know, you are doing very good in Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Some of these schemes which are very successful in Haryana. So very briefly in 2 minutes.
Sir, as I understand, the government in the center and the state is same. So most of the schemes that the center is implementing, they're also being implemented in the states.
Is it a good thing or bad thing that if the states having the same, if the state is having the same government as the central government, in your opinion, it is good thing?
Sir, I think there is no harm because ultimately we have to work for the welfare of the people. And having the same government facilitates that. It promotes cooperative federalism to a certain extent.
What is cooperative federalism?
Sir, India is a welfare state and the objective of both the governments, that is the center and the state, is the welfare of the people. So there is cooperation required between the two that we see in the centrally sponsored schemes and also in the central sector scheme.
You are in administration.
Yes, sir.
And you are saying that there is a lot of harassment for women everywhere.
Yes,
and in every state, not only in Delhi. Or what 2-3 steps you will do in your district, in a limited way? You are district magistrate,
Yes,
so
sir.
you cannot do anything for the nation. But for that district, what you will do, or what you would like to do?
Sir, when it comes to harassment of women, we have to address the issue in 3 stages. So first of all, preventive. There are certain spots which are vulnerable to not properly lit, not having CCTV cameras. Sir, I would ensure that these all things are there. And second, sir, there is not proper awareness about the laws that are there for protection of women. For example, the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act. Women are not aware. Even if they are getting harassed, they do not know whom to complain to. So, sir, awareness would be. And sir, third would be the self-defense. Women should be equipped to defend themselves in any situation that may befall them. And sir, fourth would be there are certain applications, mobile applications, which can help women to quickly contact the police or the people from the family in case they are facing any such issue.
Now this coronavirus, it's a big tragedy, in China, and it is spreading world over. To take precautions, suppose you are in Haryana, so you are a district magistrate.
Yes, sir.
What precaution you will do? And you have teaching your hobby. Suppose you are doing a workshop.
Yes, sir.
So what you will tell people?
Sir, first of all, it is a novel virus. We are not fully aware of how it spreads. Earlier, there were cases of only animal to humans. Now it is also started spreading from human to human. So, sir, I would collect the details that how the cases have unfolded thus far. And, sir, there is one measure, that is there are flu-like symptoms, so they wear a mask, and good hygienic practices so as to wash hands after we go in public places, And sir, the people who are suffering from this, they should be immediately reported to the hospitals where they can be kept in solitary confinement so that this disease does not spread any further.
We are seeing the impact of climate change, all over the country. In your Haryana,
Yes,
is
sir.
there any impact of climate change?
Sir, climate change is something that is affecting almost entire world. We see that there are frequent incidents of pest attacks, then sir, heat waves, droughts, and also erratic rainfalls. Since Haryana is an agricultural state, so whenever there are erratic monsoon rainfall or heat waves, that adversely impacts the livelihood of the citizens in Haryana.
Heat wave, this is a new disaster.
Yes, sir.
So to prevent heat wave, what can be done?
Sir, heat waves to a certain extent is a natural disaster, but sir, in the recent years it is because of the human activities that it has been accelerated. So we can control the emission of greenhouse gases like in the ACs, refrigerators, or sir, the vehicular pollution. They also emit sulfur and nitrogen, etc. So comprehensive steps to control the greenhouse gas emissions can be taken to ensure that the severity of the heat waves is mitigated.
My last question, that Paris Agreement,
Yes, sir.
you might have heard about Paris Agreement in 2015.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What are one or two significant features of that? Because India has also signed this.
Yes, sir.
बताइए उसके बारे में.
Sir, the Paris Agreement obliges all the nations to limit their greenhouse gas emissions. And sir, in that matter, we have India, our country has.
ये greenhouse gases क्या है?
So greenhouse gases are those which form up the atmosphere of the earth. They do not allow the heat to
नाम
escape.
बताइए, कौन-कौन
Yes, sir.
which gas?
So carbon dioxide is there, then methane, then carbon monoxide is also there, and sir, there are chlorofluorocarbons also which tend to trap the heat.
We were just talking about what are the steps needed to ensure women's safety.
Yes, sir.
What role do you foresee for change in societal makeup, and first the change in the mental makeup of the family itself for women's safety?
Sir, in our family, we generally prefer to give male more opportunities than females, because the families, society as a whole, sir, they tend to look upon women as the weaker sex. So sir, this change has to come from within the family. The mother, the father, they have to treat both the male and female child on equal footing, give them equal opportunities, and give more opportunity to one who is more talented. Second, sir, there is this issue of abuse within the families also, that if mother and father have a history of abuse against each other, mostly domestic violence by the male partner against the female, then the boys in the family also turn to accept it as something which is legitimate. So sir, this tendency has to be checked.
Why didn't you mention it in the first instance?
Yes, sir.
All other things which you said
Yes, sir.
about CCTV camera app, all these things,
Yes,
the
sir.
basic thing starts from here.
Yes, I forgot, sir. I'm sorry.
Basic thing starts from here.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Unless
Has
you
to
change
start
the
from
societal
family.
makeup,
Yes, sir.
you can't achieve anything.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, we also mentioned our central sector scheme, centrally sponsored scheme.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
Sir, in centrally sponsored schemes, there is a sharing of the finance between the center and the state, and it varies depending upon whether the state is a hilly state or a normal state, like developed state.
Sorry, say it again.
Sir, there is a sharing of finances.
In the central sector.
Centrally sponsored schemes, sir.
Sponsored scheme.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And in the central sector schemes, the entire expenditure is borne by the central government.
There was a thinking in the planning commission, erstwhile planning commission,
Yes, sir.
to limit the number of central sector schemes.
Yes, sir.
Are you aware that how many central sector schemes are right now, and whether the number has reduced or it has increased?
Sir, I'm not aware of that.
Not aware.
No, sir.
You better take care of it.
Yes,
You
sir.
just come to know about it.
Okay, sir.
And what is the thought process in the Niti Aayog about it? Tell me, Uh, you have studied BBA
Yes,
at the
sir.
graduation level,
Yes, sir.
but selected history as your paper.
Yes, sir.
Which part of history interests you most?
Sir, I would say that is the socio-religious reform movement in the modern history.
In the modern history?
Yes, sir.
Can you name a few social reformers?
Sir, Raja Ram Mohan Roy,
Mm-hmm.
Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Jyotiba Phule,
Yeah.
and sir, these many I remember.
One to your state, Dayanand Saraswati, one of the biggest. One of these four. Tell me one thing. How is it that Haryana has become the battleground of India, starting with Kurukshetra to Panipat?
Sir, many battles have been fought here.
Why? That's why I want
Yes,
to
sir.
ask. It couldn't fought anywhere.
Sir, with specific reference to the battles that have been fought in Panipat, we can see a common trend that the capital was Delhi. So all the invaders used to come from the northwestern frontier.
Mm-hmm.
So if anybody has to rule India, they have to capture the capital first. So Panipat happens to be the most extensive plain where a battle can actually be fought.
Okay, that's good logic.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, one knows that who won and who didn't win and why one lost, why one won.
Yes,
What
sir.
was the reason behind the defeat of Marathas in the third battle of Panipat?
So one reason is that Marathas were actually adapting guerrilla warfare, which cannot be done in the plains of northern India.
Mm-hmm.
Second, sir, they had come from around 1500 kilometers, so they would have been tired in the process. Third is, sir, that they did not get the support of any indigenous power except for the Jats, because they were very brutal in the extraction of Chauth and Sardeshmukhi. So almost all the powers in the northern India were alienated. They did not support them. In fact, sir, the Nawab of Awadh and the Rohilas, they went on to support Abdali when he came. And sir, over a period of time, they acquired certain practices of Mughals also in terms of warfare. They were not as swift as they used to be in the hills of southern India.
Okay. Have you gone through the budget?
Yes,
said
sir.
budget?
Yes, sir.
What are the enabling provisions and in the budget for women's development and women empowerment? Can you recollect?
Sir, right now I'm not able to recollect.
So let us talk something about women empowerment. Which factor do you consider the most critical for empowering women? Political empowerment, social empowerment, economic empowerment? Which is the most critical?
Sir, I see social factor as the most important one, because as we just now said that it is the mindset of society which has to change. We have to accept women as equal within our minds, and that will open the window for change in all other dimensions.
How will it get translated into economic empowerment?
Sir, society believes that women are only good at working at home,
Okay.
not outside.
Mhm.
So once this societal acceptance of women in working position changes, then sir, it will definitely contribute to economic empowerment. We will see more women in employment, have the decision making with respect to their life. So that way I think, sir, it will contribute to empowerment of women.
Do you think the law on inheritance can be a crucial factor in the women empowerment?
Yes, sir. Hindu Succession Act of 1956 actually provided for inheritance of women in the paternal property.
Mm-hmm.
But sir, from the observations that I've had thus far, it has actually promoted the female foeticide in rich states like Punjab and Haryana, because the brothers or the parents do not want women to have share in the paternal property, so they decided to get rid of them in the fetal stage itself.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Madhumita,
Yes, sir.
in your hobby you have written that anchoring is one of your
Sir, as extracurricular activity, sir.
extracurricular activities. Did you do it at any point of time
Yes,
in
sir.
college?
In college also, sir, in school also.
So, on FM radio, do you listen or hear? That is called RJ?
No, sir,
No,
I
you
have
do
not. Since I started preparing, I have not been in touch with all those things.
Fine. If President of India is returning from foreign country
Yes, sir.
and the Prime Minister is in India, is in Delhi, is it mandatory that the Prime Minister will go to the airport to receive the President?
Sir, I haven't seen that happening, so I don't think it is.
It is not mandatory.
Sir, I'm not actually aware of the
So
practice.
you are not aware.
Yes, sir.
History is one of your optional, no? You have taken history.
It's my optional, sir. Yes.
You might have heard about Kautilya's.
Yes, sir.
Kautilya's theory.
Yes, sir.
What is the major two contributions? Our theory of Kautilya, you can analyze that will make India self-reliant and superpower of the world, in the world politics. Two,
Sir, may I think for a moment?
please do that.
Sir, Kautilya gave a Saptangya Rajya theory, which was the seven-limbed state. So, two most important elements, according to me. One is the efficient taxation system, and sir, second is the diplomacy. To how do we engage with our neighbors or other foreign players? So, in taxation system, since we have a low tax to GDP ratio, if we are able to tactfully handle the tax compliance, then our resources will increase. And sir, that way it will be one of the things, one of the ways in which we can actually become an economic powerhouse. And sir, second is with respect to our international relations. Kautilya has said that when our enemy is stronger than us, then we should continue to further strengthen up ourselves and engage with them only when we are strong enough. And when a country is equal to us in strength, then we should try to engage with them
Fine,
immediately.
Madhumita. Then do you think if you let's navigate the last 6 years foreign policy of India,
Yes, sir.
does it fit into the theoretical framework of the Kautilya? Is this government following to such an extent the knowledge, the wisdom of Kautilya in pursuing its foreign policy with the neighbors as well as with the extended neighbors or world power?
So with respect to taxation system, I would say there has been a great emphasis
I'm
on
not talking about
increasing
taxation, I'm talking about the
foreign
diplomacy.
policy. Yes.
About 6 years period. I'm not talking about.
Yes, sir. Sir, I would say that a slight hint is there of the implementation, given how we have tackled China in the Doklam episode, and also Pakistan in the aftermath of Uri and Pulwama. And sir, with respect to how we are engaging with US, Israel also, I think certain elements of Kautilya's policy are there.
Madhumita, this is my last question.
Yes, sir.
So if you are a DN of a particular district
Yes, sir.
of Haryana, and you are aware of the things that a lot of immoral trafficking
Yes, sir.
is taking place, child trafficking, women trafficking,
So,
how will you go about it? What will you do to stop this?
sir, there are certain sections which are vulnerable to the immoral trafficking. First of all, the poor people, women and children. So my first task would be to make the people aware of such practices going on. So second is the enforcement of law. There is a proper law to prevent immoral trafficking and these things. And third, sir, would be surveillance. That I would ensure not only community policing is there, that volunteers from the community itself report to us. And the fourth, sir, would be patrolling. Then I can also make use of the technological tools like social media, where people can report such instances, and then enforcement can be carried out effectively. Thank you, sir.
As a student of business administration,
Yes, sir.
what do you see the potential of business in Haryana?
Sir, Haryana is one of the most industrialized states in our country. It is an IT hub, and manufacturing of automotives, tractors, two-wheelers, etc. So I think it is quite prosperous if it talks in terms of business activities.
I'm asking about potential, further potential. So you mean to say that all the potential has been achieved? Nothing
No,
more,
sir.
Nothing more?
Sir, I think there is always a scope of improvement, and Haryana is also working on ease of doing business, so that we can further attract investment in our state.
Now, you, please take yourself as Secretary, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change.
Yes, sir.
There is a lot of stubble burning Haryana and Punjab,
Yes, sir.
which creates havoc in first fortnight of November in Delhi or around all these places. What do you like to do?
Sir, stubble burning is primarily a concern in the rice ball region, that is Kaithal, Kurukshetra and Panipat also, Yamunanagar, these 4 regions. Sir, they grow a particular variety of paddy, the stalk of which is neither edible, that means it cannot be used as an animal feed, and also sir, when we use the happy seeder, then it also does not spread on the field, it keeps standing. So it inhibits the further sowing activities. So sir, first thing would be that I can ensure that there are biomass power generation power plants which are less than 10 megawatt, where this stock can be converted into energy. And second, sir, there can be packaging. Packaging can be an alternative avenue for the people to use their stock. And sir, third would be obviously the penalties to have a deterrent impact.
Now, women empowerment in Panchayat, some attempt has been done at the all India level. Some attempt has been done in Haryana level,
Yes,
particularly.
yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, one was the scheme Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao, and
Do you know that there is a reservation for in
yes,
Panchayat?
sir, yes, sir,
Please tell
yes,
us.
sir. Sir, 73rd and 74th Amendment Act in the 1992 and 3 respectively provided for reservation of 1/3 of the seats for women
Not
in
less than 1/3.
yes, sir, 1/3 I remember. So in the local
In Constitution
self-government.
it is written not less than 1/3.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Thank you,
And
sir.
20 states have done 50%.
Okay. So okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Please, sir.
So sir, there is a reservation for not less than 1/3 of the seats for women in all the levels in the panchayats and also the municipal bodies.
Panchayat, in case of Panchayat Haryana, one more thing has done, the minimum educational qualification.
Yes, sir.
Please tell us, what is that? And what is the impact?
Sir, from what I know that literacy rate of women is around 65%. So from this mandatory provision to have a certain level of qualification, which if I am able to recall rightly, is 8th class for women. Sir, I think it will exclude many of the women from taking leadership positions until and unless we ensure 100% literacy for women across all the communities. This should not have been implemented.
There is a scheme called National Rural Livelihood Mission.
Yes, sir.
What is impact in Haryana?
Sir, I'm not aware of the specific impact of the scheme, but I know that the scheme aims at mobilization of self-help groups on the rural communities and giving them certain finance and hand-holding so that they can start self-employment.
What is the role of Manrega?
Sir, it's a guaranteed wage. It entitles 100 days of guaranteed wage.
Last question. What has been announced in this year budget for agriculture?
The allocation, sir?
No, not allocation. There is a package has been announced for agriculture. A set of activities.
Yes, sir. 16-point agenda has been.
Yes.
Sir, first they say that we have to implement certain new laws. So what is a Contract Farming Act? Then there is Model Land Leasing Act. Then there is also modern APMC, Agricultural Produce and Marketing Committees Act. So then we talk about the artificial insemination and the improvement of the indigenous breeds of the cattle. Then sir, there is also a talk about Blue Revolution.
What is the role of APMC Act?
So APMC Act was originally enforced to ensure that the traders do not collude against the farmers and do not exploit them. But sir, it has not been performing effectively, so there has been a suggestion that we need to switch to the Model Agriculture Produce and Livestock Marketing Act.
Okay,
Thank you,
Madhumita, just wait for 2 minutes. We will call you again.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.